what is up, guys? Tony Artist Boy here, and today I'm gonna do a fidget spinner video. Yes, these are trending. I see people do at school, and I finally have one, but mine is white. See, I have one, and yeah, these are really cool. There's different colors, and yeah. Have the white one. And spin it. Ooh, like that. And yeah, this is really cool. Comment down below if you have a fidget spinner and tell me what color it is. And yeah, let's try some tricks, shall we? So yeah, this is the fidget spinner, and yeah, I'm gonna try to do some tricks. Ray Gimme 7 did, and yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Oops. It's okay, it still works. Here is the next trick. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, let's go to the second trick. Okay, let's try another trick. Like this, or I'm gonna do it with my thumbs this time. Like that. Let's see, which else? What could I do? What else could I do? I don't know, but yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you have a fidget spinner and if you love them. And yeah, hopefully you guys